right, once we've chosen what railing type we're going to use, we have to make the decision, are we going to use a prefab railing kit or are we going to build our railing, right? So if you're going to build your railing, right, you can select what material you will use for the right parts right here, right? So if we choose wire mesh railing, once again, we can select the wire mesh down here. Or if we're using a prefab, right, kit, like the railing will come as a kit, we just check that box, right? And once again, then you just select which railing kit you're going to use from this drop-down menu. Now to add to this list or change the price, just click the plus sign. It'll take you to the section where your railing kit is, and you can say, put in which railing you're going to use, how long it's going to be, and the price, right? If we go back here, you can see this has now been added to our list, and you can see, right, you're going to need 9 of these railings at $150. And the reason why you're going to need 9, well, if we scroll up here, you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sections where we need railing. But since we have this checked where stairs are going to be along the side, one of those sections won't have a railing. So 10 minus 9, 10 minus 1 will be 9, right? So if we were to, that's why we need 9. Now if we were to check stairs along this side, right, that would change it to 8. Right? So if you're using sometimes when you're using a prefab railing kit, it will come with posts. Now if it comes with posts and that's included in the $150, I would just put none for posts, right? Keep that none. Now, if you do need posts, right, for your railing kit, let's say you need, select what posts you're going to use, right? Are you going to use wood posts, right? And if you are, you know, because sometimes these prefab railings will come with like, you know, a sleeve that you put over a wood post. You can select what post material you'll use and then put in the total post height, which will be from your top of your post down to the bottom of your post, to the true total length of that post, you know, where you're going to attach it below the decking, right? Now, if you're not using wood posts, but you're using some other, you know, metal posts or other posts you like to use, you can add that to this list by clicking the plus sign, add what posts you're going to use, the width of those posts, right? Because that's going to, basically the width is important for telling us, you know, what's the length in between posts, and therefore how many balusters or how much railing will we need, and the price of those posts right there. So if you go back, you can see that this has now been added, and that's $100 per post. And why do we need, the question is why do we need 11 of them, right? So if we scroll up here, when we've selected where our railing posts were, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But that will change once you come down to your deck stairs, because depending on what style of deck stairs you choose, this is basically saying where do you want your posts. So if you only have posts at the bottom, right, it'll add 2 posts, make that 13. Now we choose type 2, right? You see those are going to have, we're going to have 2 posts along the midspan, 4 total, because 2 on each side. Unless you click this button, you'll see that's 15 posts. That's it.